Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video I am going to show you how to send large videos on Telegram. So in this video I already taught in previous videos that you just have to compress the files and then you can send it to any platform you want. So I am now telling the website to compress the file is simply you just have to type 8 MB compressor on your Google Chrome or Google, and the first website called @mb.video is the perfect website to compress the file. You just have to click on this website and now you can select upload and upload the file and it will generate a low MB file. You just have to share on the platform which you want. Like if I want to share on Telegram, it will be a perfect solution. So this was the process by which you can send large videos on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.